Hey Barney, you got a copy, mate?
Sure do, Ads.
Mate, I think I'm a bit stuck, eh?
On that little rut back there.
Yeah, on this route, mate, just pretty stuck.
All right, bro, I'll come back and get you.
Thanks, mate.
So what's happened then is me and Aaron have set up a stage just to show you guys how to do some safe winching. A couple of little techniques. Again, number one, communication is key. Two people's thinking, so don't think for yourself. Have two people with the same thought. Make a plan and execute a good plan and do everything 100% with safety first in mind. So we'll get that done. Hey mate, I'll back up and come get you.
No worries, thanks, mate.
All right, so Aaron's down there, I'm up here. I have absolutely built this for one purpose, and that's to be winching people out of little spots like that. So we could do a bit of a bungee, a bit of a snatch, but today we're just going to simple, safe winch. So a couple of things when you're winching. This winch is wired up to my main battery, so what I want to do is leave the car running, make sure I've got all the amps, so I don't want to get halfway and have an issue. So I'm just going to leave the car running, make sure it's all up. I'm going to get the right gear. All right, these blankets are the purpose in life, keeping us alive. And just going to get into here, set this up, and radio comms is as essential as doing everything safely. Communication is what's going to get it done. You ready to go, mate?
Thanks, mate.
He's ready to go. All right, so whenever you're backing a winch out, tension, you don't want it to spool. If you just let it unwind, sounds silly, but just in case you didn't know, it's just gonna bind up. So a little bit of tension when you're walking out, big difference. You wanna find a good spot. Aaron's got twin, but I just need to pull him off that root, so I'm just going to winch off the one side. That way, I'm just going to give him a bit more of that, and as you steer off that root, no panel damage. That's what's important here. Safety and no damage. Now, the purpose of a recovery blanket is to save you from projectiles. This is all metal. Boom! This is going to dampen the pressure. So this is going to everything's going to stop. So this whole kill zone, so everyone gets away. Dampener keeps us all safe. Hey mate, we're going to take up the tension here. Just stay on the brakes. Right, I'm ready to go with Aaron. Super safety first. I rewound a winch. I can actually be in the car and operate this. So I'm in the car, camera crew out of the way, no one's in danger, and the next bit of safety is good communication. Hey Aaron, you ready to go, mate?
Yeah, mate.
All right, mate, I'll take up some more tension and you just let me know what you're thinking.
What?
Looking good from here. Yeah, you're almost out. Too easy, mate.
Yep, on out, mate.
All right, mate, no worries. I'll unhook you.
Thanks for the help, mate.
So once again, safely, communication, pretty easy, pretty simple winch. In fact, I reckon he could have driven it himself. He just wanted me to use that winch I've been talking about for so long. But guys, that's winching safely. So the right gear, the right communication, and the right thought process, and two people talking, and everyone out of the kill zone, makes for a better trip and a longer trip. See you on the next one.